Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be showing you how I created a simpler version of the Golden Fredbear / Golden Freddy plush. So here we go. Okay, so I will be, as I said before, making a Golden Freddy-like plushie out of some bears I found at the dollar store. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be the base, and then I'm going to use this bear, sorry if you can't really see it, I'm going to use this bear to cut out its stomach. I know, I'm an amazing person, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but it must be done. It must be done for art. So I'm going to do is I'm going to find a way, pierce through the material, and cut out its stomach. Alright, once I have that done, I am going to sew it onto the bear. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hand sew the belly onto the bear. Okay, so after I sewed on the tummy, I am then going to cut the extra thread and tie a knot. I'm also going to cut off the little bow that is already on the bear. Alrighty, next thing to do are the accessories. So I am going to make a purple bow along with a purple hat. For the bow, I'm going to just cut out a rectangle of felt, purple felt to be exact. Going to fold it in half, and I'm going to create a little bow shape. I'm then going to take another piece of felt, just a long strip, and wrap it around. I'm then going to sew everything together with some purple thread, and I'm also going to sew it onto the bear. Alright, I have the bow kind of sewed together, so now I'm going to attach it to the bear. Alright, I stitch it to the bear, and now I'm going to tie the knot underneath the bow to make sure it stays together. Here's what we have so far. Next is the hat. Now, I'm kind of going to be winging this, so we'll see how that looks. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Okay, so I'm going to roughly figure out how much felt I need for the hat. Okay, so I'm going to cut a pretty decently sized strip of felt here from the bottom. Okay, so this will be the hat. Gonna cut it to make it even now. So this will be the hat. I think I'm actually going to make it a little bit smaller, because it is pretty small on Freddy himself, so I'm gonna make it smaller. There, that'll be a bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to cut out a circle for the top, and then I'm going to cut out the brim. Okay, so I have all the pieces for the hat. I have the main part of the hat, I have the top of the hat, and then I have the brim. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew all of these pieces together, and I will be back when the hat is done. Okay, so the little hat is done, and all that's left to do now is to just sew it onto the head. It's just going to be 2 very simple stitches. That's all I'm going to do to attach it. And then our golden little Fredbear will be done. Alrighty. And there's what he looks like with his little hat, little bow tie. It looks really cute. I'm really happy with this. It looks really cute. It looks like a very simple little golden Fredbear plush. So that is how I created the simpler version of the Golden Freddy plush. I think it looks pretty cute actually, and it's, like I said, it's a much simpler version if, like, you know, you're new to doing stuff like this, you know, try it out. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!